Dr. Jules, charged.
Ready?
Clear. Ošte malko, Skipper. Ne plovaj.
Yeah!
Skipper, ošte malko. Ne plovaj. Ošte malko. Ošte malko. Ošte malko. Ne plovaj. Momče. Momče. Morate, majka. Zoli mi nije vidio.
Жено, не дей! Какво правиш?
Дай поне веднъж да я подържа. Само веднъж. Поне веднъж.
Позор! Позор за нашето семейство!
Татко, моля те! Не! Татко, моля те! Не! Не!
Не дей, Катерина! Така е по-добре за нея, Катерина! Така е по-добре за нея!
Моля те, не, мама!
It doesn't make sense. I was just speaking with her. She sounded fine.
Doctors think it was a heart attack.
Trust me, Catherine Pierce is not going to die from a heart attack.
Clear.
Right, still no response.
Come on, let's get some O2 on her.
We both know my mother. She will fight this.
She's dying. Every single organ in her body is failing. Vampire blood can't save her. I compelled the doctors to let me take her home so she's more comfortable, but she's dying. They don't think she'll survive the rest of the day.